Hey, what's up? This is MC, and for this episode, we are gonna be talking about paper tapes. Nakakita ka na ba ng ganito sa ceiling mo? If you look up right now or you look around your house, you might see cracks on your ceiling. The most common material used here in the Philippines for ceilings and drywalls are fiber cement boards, or also known as Hardieflex. Hardieflex is actually the brand of the fiber cement board. So, it is a great material. It is fire resistant and it's fairly cheap. The only problem is the joints. The cracks that I showed you earlier are actually called joint cracks, and it happens in between two boards. Kahit masilyahan mo pa yan, over time, dahil sa slight movement ng ceiling and like nagsasag siya, ganon, it forms cracks. So, I've tried different materials to fill the gaps, different fillers, from skim coat to masonry putty to body fillers and even those expensive epoxy adhesives. And unfortunately, none of those materials worked in stopping cracks. I'm sorry. What's that? Okay. So, after some searching, I found out that in other countries like the United States, it is their standard practice to use paper tapes in all their joints. Like this. Unfortunately, here in the Philippines, it is actually not that common to use paper tapes. So it might be hard to find paper tapes on your local small hardware. So after searching a while, I reached Wilcon Depot, and there I finally got my hands on some paper tape. So disclaimer before we proceed with the testing, the patch job or yung masilya that you're about to see is not so good, okay? But that's not the point of this video. This is not a tutorial on how to do a patch job, on kung paano masilya, hindi. All we care about right now is to observe and compare the cracking of the joint. Alright? So yun lang yung gusto natin. So let's go to the video and show you the results. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna divide this into two. Half of this we will use a masonry putty to fill this joint, and that's it. But the other half we will use masonry putty with the paper tape, this one. We will use the hardy joint or the perforated tape. So what we're gonna do is put a little bit of masonry putty and then put the tape and then fill it again with the masonry putty. And then once everything is set and cured, we will try to break the joint and we will observe if one of these will break more easily than the other. So that's the plan. Okay, so we are done waiting for this overnight. So it has been dry for at least a couple of hours. This is the part that we put tape on it, and this is the one without the tape, just pure masonry putty. Now it's time to test it. We will try moving this up and down movement, so it will hopefully crack, and we'll see who will crack first, whether it's this one or the one with the tape. This one. Let's do it. Just a little bit. Ooh. And that's it. I can already see it cracked. The one without the tape already cracked. Let me show you. That's all. I was actually a bit surprised. That's all it takes for the putty to crack. Look, just a little bit of movement already cracked it. See? You see the line? It's already cracked. That's all it takes. See? Here on the other side, there's no crack yet. See? You can move it a little bit more and there's still no crack. Now, let's see what it takes to crack this part with the tape. Let's see what it takes. If there was tape, if there was paint on these things, I don't think we'd even see a crack in here. So I'm really impressed with this paper tape. So after some time, your ceiling would sag and would look like this. It is simulating a ceiling that has sagged after some time. As you can see, this is very common here in the Philippines. If you look at your ceiling, your Hardieflex ceiling, you might see something like this. But on this part with the tape, this part is also bent, but there is no visible crack, and that is amazing. This should be standard. This tape should be standard. Alright, that's it. So as you have seen in the video, I am very impressed and convinced that this material really works. And it's great. I really love it. And from now on, I'm going to use this on every project. I hope you learned something about this video. If you like videos like this and you want more and if you want more comparisons or tool testing, tool reviews, whatever, just tell me and I might make a video soon. My next video might be about the comparison between the joint of PVC and PPR pipes. We're gonna test the strength of those two. And yeah, I'm still thinking about other videos, so let me know if you want to see something. Thank you for your time, and I hope you